The Porsche Cayenne is a mid-size luxury crossover sport utility vehicle produced by the German manufacturer Porsche since 2002, with North American sales beginning in 2003. It is the first V8 engine vehicle built by Porsche since 1995, when the Porsche 928 was discontinued. It is also Porsche's first off-road variant vehicle since its Super and Junior tractors of the 1950s, and the first Porsche with 4 doors. Since 2008, all engines have featured direct injection technology. The second-generation Cayenne, Type 92A, was unveiled at the 2010 Geneva Motor Show in March following an online reveal. The Cayenne shares its platform, body frame, doors and electronics with the similar Volkswagen Touareg and Audi Q7. The second generation received a facelift in 2014 with minor external changes, and introduced a new plug-in e-hybrid version, with its public launch at the Paris Motor Show. The first-generation Cayenne Turbo 955 has 450 PS or 331 kilowatts, and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. A Turbo S version was built in 2006 to compete with the Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG. The Cayenne Turbo and Turbo S include a low-range case, a locking differential, and height-adjustable, off-road suspension. The Turbo S is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.5 liters V8 that produces 521 PS or 383 kilowatts or 514 horsepower and 720 Nm or 530 pounds-foot of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 97 kilometers per hour takes 5.0 seconds, and the top speed is 171 miles per hour or 275 kilometers per hour. It features a 6-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission. In 2008, an updated turbo model 957, featuring a larger 4.8-liter engine, was revealed at the Beijing Auto Show. It produces 50 PS or 37 kilowatts, 49 horsepower more power, and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour 97 kilometers per hour in 4.9 seconds. Also revealed with the new turbo, was a new 550 horsepower or 410 kilowatts Turbo S model. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 97 kilometers per hour for that car takes 4.7 seconds, and it can be had with optional ceramic composite brakes. On May 1, 2017, a 2017 Porsche Cayenne S diesel set the Guinness World Record for heaviest aircraft pulled by a production car. The Cayenne towed a 265-ton Air France Airbus A380 to a distance of 42 meters, breaking the previous 2013 record of a Nissan Patrol towing a 170-ton Ilyushin Il-76 to a distance of 50 meters. After the attempt, Porsche repeated the test using a petrol-powered Cayenne Turbo S with 800 Nm of torque, 50 Nm less than the S diesel, in an effort to prove the Cayenne's remarkable ability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.